Water shells? What the hell happened to you? Hey, Snake Balls. How much for the truck? Truck?
2 more weeks, girls. No more classes ever. Almost time to get a tan and get wasted. Woo! And financial aid. Great. Yes, I know I'm home. Thank you. Voice recognition. It's me. Go right ahead. I don't care.
The Battle of Chicago was permanently changed our world.
1,300 dead.
Much of the city has been destroyed.
Homeland Security is urging everyone to report suspicious alien activity.
A act of Congress put an end to all joint operations between the military and the Autobots, ending the alliance.
This committee knows the invasion of Chicago was a defining day for our nation 5 years ago. The day millions of people realized that never again can we allow aliens to fight our battles for us. A handful of Autobots were given sanctuary after joint combat operations were abolished. Fewer than a dozen Decepticons are still on the run, thanks to our CIA unit, Cemetery Wind. As for the alien technology, our objective remains to keep it in American control.
Hi, my name's Timothy. This is my crew. We found this alien bomb turret in Chicago. We just found it in the rubble, and it's all working.
Word has it Japan, India, the Israelis may have gotten their hands on a couple of ships. Apparently, the Russians are starting a bidding war.
We're taking $5,000 for it. It's got 36 guns, alien shit.
A new era has begun. And the age of the Transformers is over.
You're looking hot today.
Oh, yeah? How about you take your shirt off?
What would you say? What's your airport in? What would your dad think of that, huh? Hey, where you going?
The hell?
All the way!
A truck? Dad, please tell me you didn't spend money on it.
Don't worry, he didn't. My money, $150.
As an advance on your regular paycheck.
What regular paycheck?
You will get back.
When?
Never. We're broke.
I knew it.
Sweetheart, could you please not drive a wedge between employer and employee?
Hold on, I thought we were partners.
Look, I came up short, okay? I had to buy her a prom dress. You want me to deny her a prom dress?
Might as well, you denied her a prom date.
No, I offered to take her and chaperone.
Nobody wants to go to the dance with their dad. It's weird.
It's not the issue.
Well, maybe it should be.
Hey, could you guys just get off my case? You know what the engine on this runs for? I can break it down, strip it for parts. Sweetheart, your shorts are shrinking by the second, okay? Cold water air dry, please.
I think she looks hot.
What did you say?
Like a hot teenager.
It's teenager. That makes it better.
And it didn't sound...
Please, you can't keep spending money on junk just so you can turn it into different junk.
We do not use the J word in here. That is a super simplex theater projector. It's very rare. What about the smile pie? Or the extra mode that I invented, simply ahead of their time.
Yeah, like the alleged guard dog.
You gotta get him a check.
Hey, Kate! This thing still work?
No.
Yes. Yes, it's still groundbreaking. Go back there, lay on the recliner, and just wait for a cold one. Dude, stop breaking stuff.
Final notice, late notice.